Welcome, traders. We're going to give you a brief turbo option trading interview. I call it like an interview. You have all the wealth of information, you have all your menus, you have everything at your fingertips to do what? To make money. You've got call options, you got put options, you have detailed descriptions. You look at these videos, they're all live, okay? I know you've been around to a lot of websites. This is very uniform. You got top gainers, top losers. You've got everything that you need to read that's going to help you make a trade to make money. And you got all the live trades. You got the indexes here. I'm going over the indexes. You're going to know where the indexes are at. I update them. You got free stock plays. We have many free stock plays that you get to get. Yes, you get to make money. Yes, you have ideas. Yes, you can take those ideas and turn them into profits. Then we get down here to earnings beats, earnings misses. You got a wealth of information, and you have all the live videos that go along with the earnings reports. You got your upgrades on stocks and downgrades. It's very detailed. It's helpful information. You cannot go wrong. ETFs. You want to trade ETFs? We trade them all the time. You're going to have all of them right here. Down here, Hall of Fame. What is Hall of Fame? Those are huge option trades. They don't happen all the time. But we have a lot of Hall of Fame trades. Some are 2 or 3, 4, 5,000% option trades. Oh, yes, they are. Not only that, they're being done. We show you. Yes, we show you. Here's the other thing that we love about you. And it's all about the money. It's all about the information. It's all about turbooptiontrading.com. Once again, you can email me, call me. I have a lot of programs. We work as a team together. Yeah, we build a great relationship together. And that's exactly what we do. Welcome to turbooptiontrading.com, home to the traders. Let's get busy. We're ready to take you to the top.